top of the road. Adam, get this down to the top of the road. Yeah, Adam. Get the top of the road.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You want to do anything to the mosque? Please do so loud as you approach the mosque.
Get right to the top of the road. That's it. Nobody coming in.
And as you approach, please take care of the masjid, around the masjid. We do request everybody to do sure that your shoes are dampened and the socks are wet. Then taking care of the masjid carpet is our responsibility. So please be responsible. If you do need to remove them, then you do remove them. I repeat again, taking care of the masjid carpet is our responsibility. If you feel all your shoes are wet and your socks are dampened, then please do remove them before going into the masjid.
Brothers, behind us.
Everybody, please. Marhaba.
Please, behind the banner, behind the banner. No,
नाराए तकबीर, नाराए रिसालत। हाँ जी जनाब, ठीक हो? बस ठीक हो? आज़ाब ठीक है, ठीक है।
لبيك يا رسول الله لبيك 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 يا رسول الله لبيك 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 يا
मुबारक हो जी। लास्ट बंदे हैं जी जो